In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Outlook email effectively and efficiently. Whether you're new to Outlook or just want to improve your skills, taking a few minutes to learn about the search functionality can drastically enhance your email management experience. Let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into Outlook. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. If you have your credentials handy, just go ahead and log in. If you're using Outlook through your Microsoft 365 subscription, this step connects you to your integrated services, offering a seamless experience with all your Microsoft applications. Once you're on the login page, you'll see the option to sign in. It typically stands out on the page, making it easy for you to identify. Click on that button and enter your email address and password. Remember to keep your login information secure and avoid sharing it to ensure your account remains protected. After you've successfully logged into your Outlook account, you will be directed to your main mail interface. This area is your main hub for managing and navigating through your emails. If you have several unread emails or ongoing threads that need your attention, it might look a bit overwhelming at first, but worry not. Outlook's search feature is here to rescue you. In the top navigation bar of your Outlook interface, you'll notice the Home button. Click on it if you're not there already, as it's the default section where most users handle their emails. Home is your go-to for performing basic tasks such as composing emails, organizing folders, and yes, searching for specific messages. Next, we are on the lookout for the search bar. This feature is strategically placed to be highly accessible. The search bar is generally located at the top of your Outlook interface, often on the right side. It might say something like search, mail, and people to indicate its dual functionality of searching through both emails and contacts. Once you've located the search bar, you're ready to begin searching. Think about what you're looking for, be it a recent email from a colleague, receipts for business expenses, or an update from your family. Enter relevant keywords into the search bar. These keywords can be anything from a sender's name, a particular subject line, or even specific phrases you remember from the email content. By focusing on distinct details, the search results become more precise, saving you valuable time. After entering your keywords, Outlook starts suggesting results almost instantly, thanks to its intelligent search capabilities. It doesn't just look for exact matches, but also suggests related items, which can be incredibly helpful if you're unsure of the exact wording. Here's a tip. You can fine-tune your search by using various filters. After performing your initial search, look for filter options like date range, folders, categories, or attachment status to narrow down the results even further. This layered approach can drastically enhance your efficiency when dealing with extensive inboxes. One powerful tool within Outlook's search arsenal is the use of search operators or shortcuts. For example, you can type from followed by a person's name to find all emails from that person, or subject to search for specific subjects. If you know you are looking for an email with attachments, you can simply use has attachment to sift through relevant messages. These operators can make a big difference when you're looking for something specific in a sea of emails. Additionally, if you find yourself regularly searching for a particular set of emails, Outlook allows you to save those search conditions as a search folder. This way you can quickly access these results without needing to enter the criteria each time. As you become more adept at using Outlook's search feature, you'll likely find yourself saving a lot of time and reducing the stress that comes with managing large volumes of emails. So practice with the keywords and filters and see what works best for your particular needs. And there you have it. With these tools at your disposal, finding emails in Outlook should be a much smoother and more efficient process. Make sure to get comfortable with these steps and explore even more functionalities that Outlook has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips and guides.